All right, guys, we partnered with Ancel. This is their BA101 Pro. It does 12 and 24 volt battery testing. You can do it on cars, light trucks, and even heavy trucks here. So it has a ton of stuff, has the ability to actually print the test out so you can take a closer look at it. But it's super simple. Let's go ahead and set it up, and I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about it. So when Ancel sent this out, I was super excited. We've had some issues with my wife's van here on the battery. And so we are going to absolutely run some tests here, and I'm going to show you how it all works. Now, in here you have testing 12 and 24 volt lead acid CCA battery. You have cranking system you can test. You have a function of the battery, continuous charging, all that good stuff. So everything kind of comes in one, which makes it super simple. They've thought just about everything with regards to it. I mean, it is very, very simple here to use. So you do have obviously your box. You have here your guide, which is going to tell you how to do everything you need to. Let's go ahead and set this down. One of the cool features about the Ancel is that it plugs and pulls the battery charge from the battery unit. So you actually don't have to charge this anywhere else. Now you do have battery testing. You can flip over, you have your ability to print, you have your crank test, your charging test, you can get waveform, and then there is setup, and it's super simple as it breaks it down for you so you don't have any questions when you're actually running through this. Now, first things first, one of the things that I would do is know what kind of battery you have. So definitely check out your battery. I have a CCA, I have an AGM flat plated 650 amp cranking battery here, which is super important to notate. So I'm already ready to go with regards to that. But I want to walk you guys through how to go ahead and hook it up, as well as how to actually run a battery test. So come on a little bit closer. Let's take a peek here and see what we are working with. Let's get you guys down so you can see. Now, first things first, with the unit. This is your unit itself. All your function buttons that you have here, function, okay, all that stuff, super self-explanatory when you're actually working with it. Now on the leads, really lengthy lead here, so it's going to have tons of room for you to be able to use it. You do have your leads that are marked out. You have your positive and your negative on it, and red and black, which is super cool, so you're not going to mess it up or have any issues. Love that they're multicolored, as well as they have the plus and negative right where you actually will plug it in. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and start here. Get my negative terminal down. Again, when doing this, you want to make sure that the vehicle is off, as mine is. So make sure it's off. And get over here to the positive. And you're going to notice as soon as I plug this in, we have action with the Ancel. So it's that simple. Everything pops up. Now at this point in time, you can go up and down, which you're allowed to, and it's going to help you select. So right now you have car on the top left, you have light truck, heavy truck, cranking test, charging test, print, you have waveform analysis and setup for it. So let's go ahead and do okay. So if we go up and down, it's going to move this right and left. We're going to hit okay on the car. You can choose your different type of battery: regular, flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, gel, and then EFB battery. This is an AGM flat plate battery. So we're going to go down, we're going to hit OK. CCA is the standard, what we're utilizing. I pulled that from the battery, stating it right on top. Hit OK. It's 650 amps. That's our battery rated. So we're going to hit OK. And now it is doing its testing. In just a matter of moments, testing, testing, testing. Bada boom, bada bang. Select temperature, it is above. Got it. And this is before charging. Test, test, test. There we go. So we got all the information here that's going to pop up: SOC, measure, voltage, standard, everything. So we haven't even cut this bad boy on. It's easy to see, easy to read, and that simple at the end of the day. It's just something for you to notate in just a matter of moments. We've got it out of the box, we've looked at the directions, and we plugged it in to make some stuff happen. That is how you use the Ancel. Has tons of features. Once we get done, we can hit the back button. It's going to save the test for me. I can go over to the print function if I want to. Hit OK, and I can print battery test, cranking test, charging test, print all. Hit OK. Battery test 4. It's going to pull it up, And then once I plug it in or download the app, I can send it right over and make that print happen. Guys, this is the Ancel BA101 Pro. You definitely need to check it out.